Packing cubes have become absolutely essential for me while traveling. As the days go on and I travel more often, I find myself using packing cubes every single time I leave my house. And that's because they make packing so much easier for me, and I'm able to keep my suitcase organized to my liking. In front of me, I have the top 5 best packing cubes that you can find on Amazon. And inside this video, we're going to be putting these to the test so that you can find the best packing cube for you. Our 5 competitors are going to be the packing cubes from Bagail, the lightweight mesh cubes from OlarHike, the popular packing cubes from Shacke Pak, and the premium packing cubes from Thule and Peak Design. I'm also going to be throwing in a bonus packing cube inside this video, so make sure to watch out for that. I purchased all 5 of these packing cubes. None of them are sponsored, but you can find the links to these packing cubes inside the description below the video. I tried to pick out packing cubes from a wide price range. That way we're going to be testing out the budget-friendly packing cubes as well as the premium packing cubes inside this video. Our test consists of how well do they hold 5 t-shirts, how do they look, and how much room do they take up in my suitcase, the actual weight of these packing cubes for you light packers out there, and the price to quality ratio. I feel like with those standards, we're going to be able to find the best packing cube. After we review all 5 of these packing cubes, I'm going to be giving you my top 3 that I would recommend to anybody looking to purchase packing cubes. So without further ado, let's get to testing. Now I know I said I had a bonus packing cube to test inside this video, so let's just go ahead and start with that bonus. These are the packing cubes from Airport Tag, and these might be some of the most unique packing cubes I've ever seen. Each of these packing cubes comes with a clever phrase. This one says, "Stuff my mom told me not to forget," and this one says, "Beach please." And my wife and I actually customized this one, so we decided what we wanted on it, and she went with "Beach please," which I thought was pretty cool. We also have ones that say, "Do I look like I fly economy?" and this one that says "Dirty but sexy underwear." Now these are the only bags I was actually sent to test and review inside this video, so let's go ahead and get to that testing. The first test is whether or not these packing cubes from Airport Test can hold 5 t-shirts. And while I was packing the t-shirts into this bag, it handled that test no problem. I was easily able to fit 5 t-shirts in the bag, zip it up, and even though we don't have a compression zipper on this bag, there is still plenty of room to fit a couple more t-shirts. These bags by Airport Tag are roughly 12 inches by 7 inches. And when I tested the weight, it came out to 4.2 ounces per bag. Now these bags are a little bit more on the pricier side, coming in at around $30 on the Airport Tag website. But as far as quality and design goes, these are top notch. The bags just feel like high quality packing cubes, and the zippers are extremely smooth. But I think the real selling point here is going to be those catchy phrases on the front and the fact that you can custom design your own phrase on these bags. So in my opinion, these are clever, catchy, and overall great packing cubes. Next up, we have the packing cubes from Bagail. I have been using these packing cubes for the past 2 years now, and they have held up extremely well beyond what I thought they would do. Inside the pack, you get 4 different packing cubes: small, medium, large, and extra large. But we're only going to be using the medium bag for our testing. Starting with our t-shirt test, and this bag from Bagail held 5 t-shirts no problem. It also didn't take up very much room in my suitcase, and as far as looks wise, it looked pretty good. One thing that I do appreciate about these bags from Bagail is that they do come with a compression zipper, so you can fit more articles of clothing because you can compress them at a later time. This allows you to save a bunch of space inside your bag. The medium bag from Bagail is roughly 14 by 10 inches, and when I tested the actual weight of the bag, it came out to be 5 ounces. Now this bag may not feel like the most premium bag out there, but value-wise, it's really hard to beat because coming in at around $25 and you get 4 different size bags, there's a lot of value to be had from Bagail. And the fact that it's held up for over 2 years for me means that it's a solid packing cube. Following the packing cubes from Bagail, we have OlarHike. The OlarHike packing cubes come in a pack of 6. We have all different sizes and styles of bags in this combination of packing cubes. Anywhere from medium to large to even tiny bags like this one. However, in this video, we're just going to be testing out the medium-sized bag because it's in the middle of the pack of 6. The medium bag from OlarHike handled the 5 t-shirt test no problem. I could have easily stuffed more t-shirts inside of this bag. And as far as how it looked inside my suitcase, you could tell that it's a budget style packing cube, but it still looked pretty good. And it also didn't take up that much space, which I appreciated. The medium-sized cube comes in right at around 14 by 10 inches, and it had an impressively light weight at only 2.6 ounces. As far as the bag itself, we don't get a compression zipper, but we do have a mesh pocket that's going to allow your clothes to air out, which is really good, especially if you're going to be packing around dirty clothes inside of these bags. The material feels okay. It's not going to be the most premium bag out there, but you get 6 bags for just around $23, which I think is a steal. You also get a handle on top that feels kind of mediocre, but as far as value goes, you're getting so many bags that are going to allow you to pack as many clothes as you want to and save space inside your luggage. Now, if you like the idea of the budget-friendly packing cubes from OlarHike, but you want something that's just a little bit higher quality, then you may like the next packing cubes on our list from Shacke Pak. You do get a set of 4 packing cubes and 1 laundry bag from Shacke Pak. So we have the small packing cube, the medium packing cube, the large packing cube, and the XL packing cube, which is even hard for me to hold. And lastly, something that's always handy, a dirty laundry bag. For our test, we used the medium-sized bag in this pack. It was quite large and easily held 5 t-shirts. I could have fit way more inside of this bag, and it looked great inside of my suitcase. However, it did take up quite a bit of space. Unfortunately, we don't get a compression zipper on these bags. However, we do get mesh on the outside, allowing your clothes to have a little bit of breathing room. The medium-sized packing cube was about 14 by 10 inches, and our weight test came in at 3 ounces exactly. You can get this pack of 4 plus the laundry bag for around $25, and it's often on sale for lower than that. In my opinion, there's a lot of value there for what you're getting, and the bag materials are pretty solid quality for what they are. It's hard to top the value offered by Shacke Pak. Moving into our premium packing cubes, we have this packing cube from Thule. Now, this brand is known for making high quality products, and this one doesn't disappoint. This is a premium packing cube, and you can tell. Not only do we have the main zipper compartment, but we also have a compression zipper, and it works extremely well. During my test, I was a little bit nervous that I couldn't fit 5 t-shirts into this bag, but I ended up doing it no problem, even with the compression zipper sealed. I also feel like it looks fantastic, and inside of my suitcase, it hardly took up any space, and I loved the white and black look. The material feels different than any other bag that I've tested, and the corners are extremely rigid, so it's always going to hold its shape. Just like some of the other packing cubes that I've tested, Thule comes in at 14 by 10 inches roughly, and it has an impressive light weight at only 2.6 ounces, which is tied for the lightest bag that I've tested. The zippers are fantastic, and the stitching around the carrying handle is spot on, and you can tell that you're getting a premium bag, but it comes at a cost of around $25, but you can get that cheaper because it's usually on sale. So even though the price tag is a little bit higher, you're getting your money's worth with this packing cube by Thule. In my opinion, it's excellent and highly recommended. Our last packing cube on our list is going to be this premium packing cube from Peak Design. The Peak Design packing cube might be the ultimate premium packing cube. Unlike other packing cubes that I've tested, it has a very unique zipper system where each one of these zippers will end up meeting in the middle, and this reveals the interior of the packing cube. We also have a built-in compression zipper that has a mesh sidewall, allowing you to fit more articles of clothing inside of this packing cube compared to others, and it's extremely stretchy, so you can really fit a lot in here. And on the back side, we also have another compartment here that's separate from the main compartment of the packing cube that you can put your dirty clothes into. For my 5 t-shirt test, it knocked it out of the park. I could have fit way more t-shirts inside of this bag, not a problem whatsoever. And it also looked great inside of my suitcase. However, it is a little large, so it did take up quite a bit of room inside of that suitcase. This packing cube from Peak Design comes in at 12 inches by 12 inches, which is the largest medium-sized packing cube that I've tested. But even though it is the largest medium-sized packing cube, it comes in at 5.3 ounces, which is pretty impressive for its size. Everything about this packing cube is premium. You can tell that Peak Design puts out some quality products, and this one is no different. However, it does come in at a hefty price, around $40, which makes it the most expensive packing cube I've tested. So then the ultimate ultimate question is it worth its price tag? And I honestly believe so. So yes, it's pricey, but it's also nice. Now that we've tested out all 5 of these packing cubes, including the bonus packing cube, here is my top 3. Starting with the most practical or gift, starting with the packing cubes from Airport Tag. I just think that these are great. I love the design. I think that they are hilarious. And I love that you have the ability to customize these to your liking. Everything about these bags are fun, and I would definitely recommend them to anybody who loves travel or who knows a friend who loves travel and wants to get them a gift. These are absolutely great. Next category is going to be my favorite budget-friendly packing cube, and that one has to go to Bagail. I have been using Bagail packing cubes for the past couple of years now, and these have not disappointed me. There's no rips. They're extremely sturdy, and even though they may not feel as premium as some of the other ones that we tested in this video, these hold up for the long term, and you can fit a lot of articles of clothing inside of these bags, so that's why it is my pick for the best budget-friendly packing cube. The last category is going to be the best overall packing cube, and I was really torn between the packing cube from Thule and the packing cube from Peak Design. Both of them feel and look great, and you can really fit quite a few different articles of clothing inside of these packing cubes, no problem, because of the compression zippers. The Thule packing cube is going to be lighter than the Peak Design one. However, Peak Design feels a little bit better in my opinion. So if you're purely going off of premium look and feel, then I would go with Peak Design. But if you want to save some weight, you really can't go wrong with Thule. Both of these are great bags, and you wouldn't be disappointed with either of them. So there you have it. Those are my picks for the best packing cubes. Thank you so much for watching this video comparison, and I really hope that it helped. If you're into more content like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. My name's David. I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos. So if you're into that kind of stuff, stick around for my next video release.